Okay, so here I'm going to show you how you can save your own custom library for Mixamo rigs. Okay, that's it. So let's go to Mixamo website, and here there's a tons of animation here. So which one do you want to prefer? I can go and load this one. Okay, for example, this guy, and I have this animation. So what I will do is I'll go to download, and here with skin, I don't need a skin without the skin. Okay, so let me choose 24 frames per second, and I'll click download. I need only the animation. Okay, and save as. So here I'm going to choose a folder. Okay, so here I save the animation I want. I can also download any animation I want. Okay, let me do this, and I'll go to download, and without the skin, and let me download that one. You can save many animation you want. Okay, save as. I'm going to choose this one and save it here. You can also download pack. Okay, you can choose pack and download as zip and save them all and show. Okay, so let me download this. This is the folder and the animation I downloaded. So I'll go to copy the path as test, and let me go open Blender. So how you can import this Mixamo animation into Blender? Go to edit, preference, and go to extension. Go to extension. If you're using Blender version 4. That support extension, search for Mixamo. Search for Mixamo here and install this add-on. Okay, it's called import Mixamo root motion. You have to use this add-on. It's free. Okay, you can search it and then, or you can go to the extension Blender. I will leave link. If you are using Blender that is not using the extension, you can go to this and search for import Mixamo root, download that one, and you can install it manually in any version of Blender. Okay, so now let's go to file, import, and this one you are going to use import areas Mixamo, and navigate to the folder. So here I'm going to start with 4. Okay, this for animation. So I'm going to click on this, and the setting you have to choose, make sure AutoRig Pro is off, preference is off, and this two is also off. Now the next thing I'm going to do is click on import Mixamo rig. So now we have it for animation. So if you want to make this one, let's go to side view and let's go here. Now we are going to save this as our custom animation. Go to custom library, and the next thing you have to choose is this a Mixamo rig. So choose Mixamo, and let's choose the action you want to export. Here choose the name you want to save the action. So I'm going to call it flat 4. Okay, flat 4, maybe 1. Maybe there is already flat 4 in there, so make sure you add 1, or you can just so what image you want to give it. Get closer to the bone, go to view, render, and this will be your image, and let's choose an image as render resource, and let's click on export. It will tell you to save your action first here. Okay, let me go to top sheet and action, and you can see we have it here. So let's click on export. Done. Now we have exported this action. Let's go to animation, and let's go to Mixamo, and now you can see you have that animation custom library with its image here called flat 4.1. the name you choose is it appear here. Okay, so now let's go to new scene, file, import, and we can use the Mixamo file import, and here I'm going to import my character. But before you import, make sure you choose the settings I always use. Remove this and make this one off, and make these two also off, and import. Okay, so once we do that, let's go to sidebar here and go here and choose Mixamo, and let's pick this one. Let's go to Mixamo folder, and we have this, and we can click load, and we see we got the animation we have. Okay, before you can do the same, adding another animation. Let's go to file, import, and navigate to where we have the animation. This one I'm going to load old man idle. Make sure you choose the settings and remove this. It is very important to follow the settings. Import, go to sidebar, and let's go here, choose the action. This is a Mixamo rig, and let's call it a name. I'm going to use the same name here. Okay, so copy and paste the name here, I'm going to view render, and I'm going to view render image, and I'm going to use this render image, and the name here I'm going to use the same name here. Okay, and I'll add maybe 1 to it, and let's go to export. Okay, please save here and export. It has finished exporting. We can load any character, file, Mixamo here, and let's go to this one. Okay, so make sure to the settings I said and import, and then let's go here, this Mixamo pick. Let's go to Mixamo collection, and we have placed the hold my idle, and let's load the animation, and we have a Mixamo hold my idle animation on here. We can continue adding multiple animation to your collection. You can also go here and click and load the freefall. Okay, let me load the freefall. So he'll be doing the idle. Once he reach here, he's going to do the freefall. Okay, and also we have a lot of animation already in here. Okay, you can load it, and it's going to do that. Okay, if you want, this is for custom animation, so you can go to Mixamo, download any animation you want, and you can save it into your custom library. Okay, so that's how it is.